Oh my god, guys, this is so gross. This is disgusting. I have to say this is disgusting. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, but hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I watched some videos a couple of weeks ago with a specific product that I was like, whoa, I want to try that. I want to see how it looks. I want to do something like really cool for my subscribers and to do for the people who follow me on Instagram too. Right now I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about because obviously I'm gonna explain you everything about the idea I got for this video and what we are gonna do, and it's gonna be different. We are gonna be able to compare two different products and see how they work. The product I'm talking about is this digital microscope right here. I bought it on Amazon, so obviously if you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link down here on the description box. I bought it on Amazon for about like $20 or something. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today with this product is I'm gonna use two different products to take my makeup off, and we're gonna see which one works better and if they really work really good or not. Obviously, I want to say, like, I never had problems with these two products I'm showing you today. This is just like a fun video to see what's gonna happen and how my skin is gonna look and everything. I want to let you know I'm not doing these like to say, hey, don't buy these or I like this, because I love these two products I'm gonna show you today. So this is gonna be just for fun, and I'm just gonna see which one works better and which one doesn't work as I expected, if that happened. Okay, so here is the microscope right here. You can see it there. This one right here goes connected to your computer, to your tablet, to your laptop. Let's plug this in. When you plug it, you're gonna see this light is gonna pop. Look, there it is. Now it's on. We are gonna take this up. There you go. Okay, here it is. Okay, so we're gonna start right here, and oh, here it is. Okay, so I can see my skin over there, and there is a lot of highlight right here. I have like something there, a makeup, like you can see. Oh, look at that baby growing over there. Look all the makeup, like this is wow. I never thought I would be able to see my skin like this, but okay, so let's get started with this. On this side, I'm gonna use my micellar water that obviously I use almost all the time, and is this one. So we are gonna start. I'm gonna do it as I normally do it. So let's get started. Okay. So here we go. Oh no, I'm gonna get some. Okay, now you can see like I am taking my second face. Okay, so I like to do this because when I use eyeliner, it's gonna be like super messy to take it off. So I feel, okay guys, so I feel I'm done. Okay, here we go. And I can see there is highlight on my cheekbone, still there. Wow, there is a lot of highlight right here, and this is not like oil or anything, it's just like wow. Okay, so we can see some drops of the micellar water over there. Okay, so I feel my eyebrows are really clean, kind of. Okay, now let's see my eyes. A lot of makeup. Look at the glue from my lashes. It's so sticky all over my eyelashes, and this is disgusting. Oh my god, guys, this is so gross. Okay, let's see. Down here I still have like a lot of makeup. And I really thought I cleaned it good, but no way. I have to say I'm super shocked with my micellar water because when I get home super tired from work or from somewhere like a party or something, and I just want to take my makeup off like really quick, I like to use my micellar water and rub it on my face and take everything off, and I was like, okay, I'm good. I took everything, but I am like, whoa, like my lashes are disgusting. Like you cannot see it from here, and if like I saw my face on the mirror and I cannot see those spots with glue on my lashes, and that's disgusting. So now I'm gonna try the other part of my face, and I'm gonna use the other product, and I love this brand, like I love it, by the way, and this is from NXN, and here it is. Okay, so this is the Fresh Tart Cleanser, and I love this one because like this is a foam cleanser, so you just have to use water and rub it on your face and then wash it with clear water. I'm gonna grab a pad since I am right here sitting in front of the camera. It's gonna be easier, and I'm just gonna put water like all over my face. Okay, let's do it. So a lot of people recommend like the cleanser because they say, oh, your skin is gonna be better, you're gonna clean your skin like really deep, and it's gonna work like really good. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work, if which one I would prefer after this. Okay, I'm gonna wash this side. And then I will come back right here. Okay guys, so I just got back from the bathroom. I cleaned my face, and now I'm gonna see what happened to my skin, if it's really clean, and what to expect from the second favorite product that I have. So I'm gonna try to show you guys. Okay, so it's kind of shiny because it's still wet, but I don't see any makeup on my skin, so that's good. You can see they are clean. Okay, like this is cleaner than the other one, to be honest. Yep, this is cleaner. Let's see from here. Okay, here it is, and there's not any like makeup anywhere here. That's good. Wow, so my eye is good. It's not as bad as this one, and I think I can see it like from back. Okay, now my skin. Let's see my skin. Yeah, okay, so I feel my skin is cleaner. Like I cannot see those spots with highlighter that I saw with the other side of my face. Like there is couple in here, but not too much. And I feel it's like good. Okay, my love, so this was super fun to show you. This was super fun to do. And honestly, I didn't expect the first result, to be honest, because I was super like completely sure it was gonna be okay just with my micellar water. But I feel like if I'm using the micellar water, I need to wash my face with a cleanser afterwards. So yeah, so with the second one, I feel like you are cleaning your skin really deep, and it works so much better. So don't be lazy like me and use a cleanser. I feel like every single time I'm gonna use a cleanser right now because there's gonna be makeup still on your face, and that's not good at all. So I would better say I'm gonna use cleanser like more often and always, maybe. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for being here with me on this video. I had so much fun, and I really like how these turned out because I could see what I was doing wrong, and now I'm gonna do it like right to keep my face safe and clean and healthy. So yeah, that was a good thing to do. So any opinion or comment you have about this video, or if you want me to do something special just for you, or if you have other ideas, don't forget to comment down here on the comment section. And I would love to see more ideas for more videos. So please don't be afraid to send me any message, any comment. I would love to read them. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies!